McKenna Snow Owl Island.
Animal Mechanical Mission Time!
Good morning, Animal Mechanicals.
Good morning, Island Owl!
Very big mission today.
Whoa, yeah!
Your destination is McKenna Snow Owl Island, where it's almost time to crown the new Snow Owl King.
Crowning a king? That sounds cool!
It is. However, there's a problem. Spring has come early on the island, so all of the winter ice decorations are melting.
But they can't have a ceremony without ice decorations.
And if there's no ceremony, they can't crown the king.
Your mission is to make sure the crowning ceremony takes place. McKenna, can you do it?
We Animal Mechanical can!
Let's go!
Yes!
Here we are, McKenna Snow Owl Island.
It's beautiful. But the island owl was right. Everything is melting.
Who's that?
That little McKenna owl must be in charge of the ceremony.
He looks worried.
I think he wants us to stop these statues from melting.
But the warm weather is melting everything.
We can't change the weather. It's impossible.
Nothing's impossible for Animal Mechanicals. Unicorn! McKenna Fly!
She's using her magic horn to freeze everything.
Woohoo! Go, unicorn! Go!
The ice is frozen again.
Yay! Now the new Snow Owl King can be crowned.
I'll get the crown.
Sasquatch, be careful. The ice is very slippery.
Sasquatch, watch out for the coronation statue.
Oopsie. Careful, Komodo. The ice is very slippery.
Oh no! The coronation statue is broken.
Oh, maybe we can put it back together again. Or maybe not.
Looks like we need to carve a new statue.
Which means we'll need a new block of ice.
But where will we find a block of ice?
Look! The owl is pointing to the mountain. Maybe that's where we'll find an ice block.
Animal Mechanicals, checking it out.
He says that we should use that block.
I'll carry the block. Ugh.
Sasquatch, be careful. Blocks of ice are very heavy.
Did you know blocks of ice are very heavy?
Yes, I knew.
Oopsie. Again.
No time to waste, team. We'll just have to carve a statue from one of the bigger ice blocks.
We'll need someone who is super strong to move that ice block.
I'm the animal mechanical for this job. Rex! McKenna Strong!
Woohoo! I love watching Rex lift stuff.
He did it! Yay, Rex! He's saying that we don't have much time to carve the statue.
We'll need some kind of carving tool.
Did you say tool? This is my kind of job. Komodo! McKenna Gizmo! Whoa! Nope. Oh, yummy, a light snack. Aha! One mighty McKenna ice pick to the rescue! Hey! Ah! Wah! Hey! Ah! Ooh, 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 ah!
What's wrong, big guy?
I just keep messing up. I can't do anything right.
Don't worry, Sasquatch. I'm sure you'll get your chance to help.
Yeah, I guess so. Thanks, Rex.
Ta-da! One super fancy Snow Owl King statue.
Amazing, Komodo! It looks even better than the first one.
Well, thank you, Rex.
The ceremony is beginning!
This is quite exciting. We're going to watch the Snow Owl King receive his crown.
What are they waiting for?
I think the Snow Owl King wants Sasquatch to place the crown on his head. He's the only animal mechanical who can stretch way up there.
The Snow Owl King wants me? Oh, gee. Well, I guess I am the stretchiest and handsomest. Behold, the mighty Sasquatch! McKenna Stretchy!
Stretchy like a big rubber monkey.
Hooray for Sasquatch!
Yeah! All right, Sasquatch, way to go! The new Snow Owl King has been crowned. Animal Mechanicals, mission accomplished. Thanks to Sasquatch.
Aw, shucks.
He'd like us to stay to celebrate the Snow Owl King's coronation. McKenna, can we?
The animal mechanical can!
Hooray for the Snow Owl King!
McKenna Skate Park Island.
Animal mechanical mission time!
morning, Animal Mechanicals.
Good morning, Island Owl.
Very big mission today. Your destination is McKenna Skate Park Island.
What's all that stuff under the tree?
That's the skate park that belongs to the Raccoon Rollers.
Raccoon rollers are awesome!
Yes, but there's a problem. The Raccoon Rollers have been falling down a lot lately.
Question. How could such great skaters fall down so much?
No one knows. It's a mystery. A mystery the Raccoon Rollers need you to help solve. McKenna, can you do it?
We Animal Mechanical can!
Let's go!
Yes!
Here we are, McKenna Skate Park Island.
And here come the raccoon rollers!
Loud, little fellas.
And Speedy! Look at them go!
Island Owl said they were falling down, but they do not appear to be.
It looks like they want us to follow them. Animal Mechanicals on the move.
Very impressive McKenna Skate Park.
Now they are falling down, just like Island Owl said.
Why are the raccoons falling here when they were skating so well over there?
Good question, Rex. I think the reason is...
Komodo.
interrupting is not polite, Sasquatch, as I was saying.
Excuse me. Is it okay to interrupt now to tell you a raccoon roller is about to roll into you?
Yes, now would be a good time. Except it already happened.
Maybe their roller trouble has something to do with this skate park.
All I see on the ground are some McKenna nuts.
The mighty Sasquatch, checking it out.
Be careful, Sasquatch. McKenna nuts are very slippery.
McKenna nuts are very slippery.
I'll try and remember that.
Well, I think we found out what's making the skaters fall. The nuts must have come from this tree.
Then all we need to do is pick up all the nuts. And then the raccoon rollers can get back to being super speedy.
Picking up all these nuts will take forever.
Pick them up? I have a better idea. Unicorn! McKenna fly!
Woohoo! Go, Unicorn! Go!
Look! Unicorn's making a giant wind vacuum with her horn. Cool!
Fascinating.
Now to get these nutty nuisances out of the way! Okay, raccoon rollers, get ready to roll!
Oh, boy!
Oh no! Not again!
More nuts? But I thought we picked them all up. Ow!
The nuts are being thrown by those Mechana squirrels.
But why would they throw nuts onto the course?
They kinda look grumpy.
The squirrels are grumpy because the raccoon rollers make a lot of noise when they skate.
But this is where their skate park is. What can we do?
The mighty Sasquatch will move the tree somewhere quiet.
Sasquatch, those trees are very heavy. Ow.
That didn't work.
Nope.
We can't move the tree, but we might be able to move the skate park.
It would take someone really strong to move all that heavy skating stuff.
This is my kind of job. Rex! Mechana strong!
Strong like a mighty machine!
I love watching Rex move heavy stuff.
He did it! Way to go, Rex!
Now the Mechana squirrels won't be disturbed by the raccoon roller racket.
Okay, raccoon rollers, you've got a brand new course.
I think they're nervous because they've never skated on this course before.
We need to show them that the new skate park is as good as the old one. Maybe even better.
Someone super speedy needs to race around and show them it's super fun.
Super speedy? That's me! Mouse! Mechana fast!
Go, Mouse! Woohoo! She's fast.
Fast like a rocket.
Okay, raccoon rollers, what do you think of your new course now?
We did it! We got the raccoon rollers skating safely again.
And the Mechana squirrels are happy too.
Animal Mechanicals, mission accomplished.
Mechana, can we skate with the raccoon rollers?
We animal mechanical can!
Watch these smooth moves. Oops. I tripped.
I noticed that.
Mechana Jukebox Island.
Animal mechanical mission time!
Good morning, Animal Mechanicals.
Good morning, Island Owl!
Very big mission today. Your destination is Jukebox Island. where the island beboppers love to dance.
Dancing? I love dancing too!
But for some reason, the beboppers have stopped dancing, and now they're very sad.
Poor little beboppers.
Your mission is to find out why the beboppers have stopped dancing and to get them dancing again. McKenna, can you do it?
We Animal Mechanical can!
Let's go!
Yes!
Here we are, Jukebox Island.
And look! The beboppers are just standing around. They're not dancing even a little.
I bet I know the problem. The beboppers just need to learn some good dance moves. Watch closely, little beboppers. Sasquatch, the mighty dancer, will show you some fancy dancy dance moves. See? You might want to skip that last move.
Maybe you dance better with music, Sasquatch.
Did you say music, Mouse?
Yes.
That's it. There's no music. Beboppers will only dance if there's music.
No problem. The mighty Sasquatch will now make music. La 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 la, la 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 la.
Sasquatch, I don't think the beboppers like that music.
Huh?
We need to find some other kind of music.
But where are we going to find something around here to make music?
What about that jukebox? Don't jukeboxes make music?
Jukeboxes do indeed make music, Mouse. You simply push a button and...
Okay, jukebox, play some tunes. Huh? No music? Maybe if I push the buttons harder. It's pounding time!
No, Sasquatch, it's not a good idea to pound jukebox buttons.
It's not a good idea to pound jukebox buttons.
I know.
Hey, team, look at this.
What are those holes for?
Aha! Those holes are where music discs are supposed to be.
So that's why the jukebox isn't playing music. There are no music discs in it.
But where could they be?
Beboppers, do you know where the music discs are? Too bad. But at least we know what we're looking for. 3 missing music discs. Let's go.
Music discs.
Come out, wherever you are.
Did you hear that?
I know that laugh. It could only belong to one mechanic creature. A jive jumper!
That jive jumper is holding something blue.
And round. It must be one of the missing music discs.
Great! Hey, Mr. Jive Jumper, can I have that music disc, please? Hey!
Catch that disc!
Another jive jumper, and he's got another music disc.
Oh dear, jive jumpers love to play games. This might be difficult.
The jive jumpers throw the discs too fast. We can't catch them.
Too fast? Nothing's too fast for me. I'm super fast. Mouse. McKenna fast.
Go, Mouse, go!
Gotcha. Yippee!
Good work, Mouse. Now, let's put these discs back into the jukebox.
There are the holes for the music discs. 1, 2, 3.
And here are the music discs. 1, 2.
No third disc? Huh. Perhaps the jukebox will work with 2 discs.
It still isn't working.
We need all 3 music discs to make the jukebox play.
Where could that last disc be?
Jive Jumpers!
Look! The 3rd disc is on top of the tree. Even the jive jumpers can't reach it.
Oh well, I guess the beboppers will have to learn to dance without music. Come on, little guys, dance with me.
Sasquatch, maybe someone could stretch way up high. Maybe even stretch while they're dancing?
Good point. Stretching loosens the muscles. Stretch while you dance, beboppers.
Sasquatch, I think Komodo means someone could stretch to reach the disc in the tree.
Oh, that kind of stretch. Who could do that? Hey, wait a minute. I can stretch like that. Sasquatch! Makana stretchy!
Stretchy like a big rubber monkey.
Almost got it. Gotcha, music disc.
The jive jumpers look sad. They want to play with the music discs.
But these discs are for playing music, not playing games.
Aw, maybe a flower will make you guys feel better. Oops, I broke it. Huh?
Look! The flower petal flies just like a music disc.
Great work, Sasquatch. The jive jumpers are having fun.
Now that the jive jumpers are happy, it's time to get the beboppers happy too.
Yep, let's go get that jukebox playing music again.
There! All 3 music discs are now in place.
Oh no! The cover won't stay closed.
The bolt that holds it shut is very loose. We need to tighten it.
But how?
This is a job for Komodo! Makana Gizmo! Whoa! Nope. Woo, how embarrassing. Aha! This ought to do the trick. One mighty Makana wrench to the rescue!
Komodo did it!
Oh boy, dance time!
Hit it, big guy!
It worked! The beboppers are dancing again!
Hooray! Mission accomplished. Good job, team. Sasquatch, what are you doing?
This time, the beboppers are giving me dancing lessons. Come on, you guys. Try it. It's fun.
What do you say, team? McKenna, can we all learn the beboppers dance?
We animal mechanical can!
Makana Tortoise Island.
Animal mechanical mission time!
Good morning, Animal Mechanicals.
Good morning, Island Owl!
Very big mission today.
Right!
Your destination is Makana Tortoise Island.
Oh boy, I love tortoises.
The Makana tortoises are having a special birthday party today.
A birthday party? That means yum, yum, birthday cake! And I love birthday cake!
So do I, Rex. But there's a problem. This is the birthday tortoise. He's very old and very slow. He's so slow he won't make it to his own birthday party on time.
Oh no! That would be terrible!
Your mission is to make sure the birthday tortoise gets to his party on time.
And to eat birthday cake?
Yes, that too. McKenna, can you do it?
We Animal Mechanical can!
Let's go!
Yes!
Here we are, McKenna Tortoise Island.
And look! There's the birthday party! It's not so far.
I can smell the cake from here.
But where's the birthday tortoise? Here, tortoise, tortoise, tortoise. That rock is haunted.
Sasquatch, that's not a rock. It's the birthday McKenna tortoise.
Oh, right. I knew that. Hey, Komodo, don't be scared. The haunted rock is really the tortoise. Isn't that great?
Mr. Tortoise, we're here to help you get to your party.
Yeah, are you ready to have some fun?
Oh, look at his little party hat. I love tortoises.
Come on, let's get to the cake. I mean, the party.
Island Owl was right. The McKenna tortoise is very slow.
Remember, team, our mission is to get the tortoise to his party on time.
Not a problem. The mighty Sasquatch will get his new tortoise friend there on time.
Sasquatch, stop! The McKenna tortoise is afraid of you pushing him.
Oh, sorry about that, Mr. Tortoise. I was just trying to help.
If we could get the tortoise to the edge of this hill, he could slide down the hill to the party. We just have to come up with a way to move him from over there to over here.
Without pushing him.
He doesn't like being pushed.
What are we gonna do? What are we gonna do?
Careful of that log, Sasquatch. It might roll.
Careful of that log, Komodo. It rolls.
I knew that.
Sasquatch, that's it! If the McKenna tortoise was on top of some logs, we could roll him to the hill.
That would be faster than him walking. Except there aren't many logs around here. Only trees.
But logs are made from trees. If we cut down some of the trees, we'd have some logs.
Cut down trees? I don't see any way to do that.
Oh, no. Leave that to me. Komodo! McKenna Gizmo! Whoa! Nope. Not that. Hey! Where's the fire? Aha! One super duper McKenna saw to the rescue! Hi-ya! Woo! Ha! Hi-ya! Just the thing for cutting. Stand back, everyone. Timber!
Handy dandy tool time.
That's great, Komodo. Now, to get the McKenna tortoise onto the logs.
It's okay, Mr. Tortoise. We won't hurt you. If you just step onto the first log and tuck your legs in, we'll roll you to the slope. Then you can go for a fun slide.
Brilliant!
Yippee!
Yeah!
Okay, team, let's roll. Ready, Mr. Mechanotortoise? The logs are rolling him along.
One more easy push and...
There he goes!
Oh no! The Mechanotortoise is sliding down the hill too fast!
And he's going to crash into his own birthday party if he doesn't stop.
We've got to stop my little buddy!
But he's big and heavy! We can't stop him!
Animal mechanicals can do anything. Rex! Mechana strong!
Go, Rex!
Just need something to hold onto.
Rex is doing it! He's slowing the Mechanotortoise down!
I can't look!
Phew! Just in time.
Well done, Rex! Happy birthday, Mr. Mechanotortoise!
Uh-oh. It looks like there's another problem. The Mechanotortoises can't reach the birthday piñata. It's too high up in that tree.
Oh no! How are they supposed to get the goodies out of the piñata if they can't reach it?
We need a way to reach all the way up to that piñata.
Forget it! We don't have anything that could do that!
We don't have anything, but we do have someone.
Who can stretch?
Who? Oh, right! Me! I can stretch up to get it! Sasquatch! Mechana Stretchy!
Stretchy like a big rubber monkey.
Here you go, Mechanotortoises. Now you can reach the piñata.
We got the Mechanotortoise to his birthday party on time.
Animal mechanicals, mission accomplished. Birthday cake! Yum! Mechanic, can we stay and have some, please? Pretty please, with a cherry on top. Oh, can we?
We Animal Mechanical can!
Mechana Circus Island.
Animal Mechanical Mission Time!
Good morning, Animal Mechanicals.
Good morning, Island Owl!
Very big mission today. Your destination is Mechana Circus Island.
A circus? With clowns?
The Mechana Circus is made up of 3 acts. The Mechana Cycler, the Mechana Acrobat, and yes, Sasquatch, the Bouncer Clown.
A bouncer clown? I've always wanted to be a bouncer clown.
The Mechana Circus usually travels in its Mechana Circus train, going from island to island. But there's something wrong with the train. It can't take off. And if it doesn't take off, there will be no circus.
No circus? That would be terrible!
Your mission is to save the circus by getting the Mechana Circus train flying again. Mechana, can you do it?
We Animal Mechanical can!
Let's go!
Yes!
Here we are, Mechana Circus Island.
And here comes the Mechana Circus train.
Ooh, that train doesn't sound so good to me.
Animal Mechanicals, checking it out.
The engineer says the Mechana Cycler, the Mechana Acrobat, and the Bouncer Clown are loaded in their cars. But every time the train tries to take off, it can't fly.
This train squeaks and squawks. If I am correct, and I always am, I'd say you've got some gear trouble. Mind if I take a look?
I wonder where the bouncer clown is. Oh. 3 train cars. Which one is the bouncer clown in? Oops! The Mechana Acrobat! Definitely not a clown. Bouncer clown! Are you in there? Have fun, Mechana Cycler! Oh boy! I know who's inside this one! The bouncer clown! Goody! Look! I can juggle and bounce around and then I... Oops!
This is definitely the gear that's stuck. What we need is...
The Bouncer Clown! How did he get out of his car?
It might have been my fault. Don't worry, the mighty Sasquatch will catch him.
Be careful, Sasquatch. Bouncer clowns are very bouncy.
Be careful, Komodo. Bouncer clowns are very bouncy.
I knew that.
The Bouncer Clown says he wants you to look under his hat.
I have no time for silly games.
I have time for silly games. I'll do it. Springy snakes. Very funny, Bouncer Clown.
Komodo needs to fix the train, Sasquatch. Can you keep the Bouncer Clown busy somewhere else, like over there?
Sure thing, Rex. Come on, buddy.
Now, where was I? Oh, yes. This big gear on the side of the engine has become too rusty to move. That's why the train can't fly.
Rusty? How can we fix that?
All it needs is a bit of oil. This is a job for... Komodo! Mechana Gizmo! Whoa! Nope. Nope. Lollipop. Maybe later. Aha! One mighty Mechana oil can to the rescue! A little oil here, and here, and...
No more awful squeak.
Great work, Komodo. Now we need to get the Bouncer Clown back on the train. Animal Mechanicals making it happen.
Hey, guys. You're just in time for our bouncy show. Come on, clown. 1, 3.
What was that?
Oh, right. I might have forgotten to tell you guys. I kinda let all the acts out of the train.
Not good.
Now we have to get all the performers back on the train.
That Mechana acrobat is too high in the sky. We'll never be able to get it back down and into the train.
Animal mechanicals can do anything!
Right! This is a job for... Unicorn! Mechana fly!
Go, unicorn, go!
Excuse me, Mechana acrobat? It's time to get back on the train so you can perform in the circus. Follow me, okay?
Good job, unicorn. Now, we just need to catch the...
Let me guess. Mechana cycler?
I don't know how we'll ever do that. Mechana Cycler's going too fast.
There's no such thing as too fast for animal mechanicals. Mouse! Mechana fast!
Go, Mouse, go! Woohoo! She's fast!
Fast like a rocket!
Hey, Mechana cycler, I'll race you back to the train. Ready, go! Great race, Mechana cycler. But now it's time to get you back on your train.
And the rest of you, too.
Bye.
We did it! They're all back in their cars.
Animal mechanicals, mission accomplished.
Bye!
Happy travels!
Goodbye, Mechana Circus.
Goodbye!
Hey, where's Sasquatch?
Last I saw, he was saying goodbye to the bouncer clown.
Uh-oh! Look! The train is coming back!
The engineer says there's an extra passenger on board.
Sasquatch! What are you doing on the Mechana Circus train?
Oh, I just wanted to do my clown act as part of the Mechana Circus.
The engineer says you can come and perform in their next show.
Yippee!
McKenna, can we all go ride the train and watch the show?
We animal mechanical can!
Robo Ranch Island.
Animal mechanical mission time!
Good morning, Animal Mechanicals.
Good morning, Island Owl!
Very big mission today.
Yay!
Your destination is Robo Ranch Island, home of the Mechana Cowboy and his rootin' tootin' Mechana Ranch.
A cowboy? Yay-ho!
The trouble is, the cowboy's Mechana bull has run away, and the cowboy can't find him.
Run away? Not good.
Your mission is to find the missing bull and return him to the Robo Ranch. McKenna, can you do it?
We Animal Mechanical can!
Let's go!
Yes!
Here we are, Robo Ranch Island.
Look, a real live cowboy. Howdy, partner. Which way to the Robo Ranch? Hey, I'm talking to you, partner. Now listen up here. It's just a mechanic cactus. A perfect fit. Now, which way to the Robo Ranch? Thank you kindly, Mr. Cactus. Come on, partners.
There's the Robo Ranch.
Howdy, partner. I heard that your mechanical is giving you more trouble than a rattlesnake in a water hole. That's cowboy talk.
He says it was the strangest thing. The bull went crazy and ran right through the fence for no reason.
There must be a reason. What was going on at the time?
He says it was feeding time. He let out a big whistle to call the bull to eat, and off he charged, right through the fence.
Well, maybe the critter wasn't happy with his victuals. That's what cowboys call food. He might have gone looking for some other yummy victuals.
Very professional cowboy talking, Sasquatch.
Animal Mechanicals, we need to find that critter. I mean bull, and fast.
Look at the fence. He sure is a strong fellow, isn't he?
Yes, but how do we find him? He could be anywhere by now.
In the Old West, cowboys used to find animals by listening carefully for the sounds they made.
Great idea. Let's try to listen for sounds the bull might make.
All I hear is Sasquatch whistling.
Oopsie. Sorry, partner.
Wait, I hear something. Listen.
It sounds like munching sounds.
And snorting sounds, just like a bull would make. What direction are the sounds coming from, Mouse?
From that way.
The McKenna Bull!
Time for a real Wild West roundup.
Yeehaw!
Hey, bull. Where you going, you crazy critter?
Sasquatch, be careful! McKenna bulls are easily startled.
Huh? Guess what, partner? Mechanibles are easily startled.
Thanks, partner.
We need to find a way to sneak up on the bull so we don't startle him again. Then we can carefully grab his harness and lead him back to the ranch.
But the bull is watching us very closely. We'll never get close to him.
He'll see us coming.
Not if we come from above. I'm the animal mechanical for this job. Unicorn! McKenna fly!
Unicorn is the coolest.
Sasquatch, are you ready for liftoff?
Ready, partner? Wahoo! Nice pull.
Good job, Sasquatch.
All in a day's work, partner. Whoa! Nice pull. Stop, nice bully bull. Please. Whoa.
Interesting. When Sasquatch whistled, the bull went berserk.
And he ran away when Sasquatch whistled before, too.
And remember what the cowboy said? He whistled when it was feeding time. That's when the bull ran through the fence.
That's it. When the bull hears a whistle, he runs away. That bull must really dislike whistling.
Well, that's one problem solved. But now we've got to round up that bull.
Animal mechanicals on the move.
The bull is running wild. There's no way we can stop him.
I have heard that bulls sometimes charge towards cloth that is red, like a red flag or a red cape.
How about a red bandana?
Yes, that might work. But whoever holds the bandana would have to be very fast to stay ahead of the bull.
I can be fast. Mouse. McKenna fast.
Mouse, that bull is very strong and powerful. Are you sure you want to do this?
Animal mechanicals can do anything.
Fast like a rocket.
Hey, you, Mr. Bull. Catch me if you can.
Whoa! It's working! The bull is chasing after her!
Come on, team. Let's get back to the ranch, too.
Yep, yep. Come on, Bull. Yeehaw!
Good going, Mouse.
Woo-wee! That was one wild ride. Thanks, partner.
He says, thanks, y'all, for rounding up my bull. That's cowboy talk.
All we need to do now is fix this gate so the bull won't escape again.
No problem. Looks like the gate will snap into place. We just need to lift it.
Hold on. The mighty cowboy Sasquatch will help too.
It's too heavy. We're not strong enough.
This is a job for Rex. McKenna Strong!
I reckon there's nothing better than watching Rex lift heavy stuff.
Just a bit further, Rex.
One McKenna bull safe and sound inside his corral. Animal mechanicals, mission accomplished.
What a rootin' tootin' cowboy adventure. Makes me feel like whistling another cowboy tune.
Sasquatch, don't! Whistle.
Oopsie, partners.
Looks like we have to chase down that critter again, partners. McKenna, can we do it?
We animal mechanics!